Welcome to the program.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
I make a comment on your hair as well. I had Elvis on there last week with Chris Pritchard, and he didn't comb it, so basically yours looks really good.
Oh, thank you. Someone said I look like Elvis. This is amazing.
There you go.
Thank you.
I've got two questions if you can manage. I have a kitty cat right now, Persian, about 4 or 5 years old. She's gone into heat, and we want to get her spayed eventually, but is there anything that can be done for her while she's still in spayed to relieve and or make her feel better?
You know what? I think that as soon as you did your mating call, cats went to the TVs and they turned to Rogers Television to this show.
Yeah.
She's crying for you right now.
Oh, wow.
There you go. You know, this is all a family show, so I'm going to keep this answer as family-oriented as I can. Your cat, you need to go to the veterinarian and you need to get your cat stimulated. And what that means is understand cats, female cats, are what's called obligatory ovulates, meaning they actually won't ovulate or drop eggs until they've been mated with. So a cat that's in heat can come into heat over and over again because she's waiting for somebody to, you know, hear her call or waiting to hear my call and know where to go. So there'll actually be a very simple, which I won't describe, a very simple procedure that can be done in the back room for 5 minutes that will confuse her and make her think that she has been mated with, essentially. What is your second question? That's right.
Was wondering if that was like, okay, fine, it's funny, but a glove and a Q-tip possibility. Is that correct?
Essentially, that's what it is. It takes a stimulation of the lower reproductive tract.
Okay.
To be honest, I wouldn't do it yourself. I would speak with your veterinarian though, because the tissue can be sensitive and you can cause some injuries. So I would speak with your veterinarian, definitely. Have that done there.
Okay. When they're in heat, are they hurting at all? Or is that like they're hurting, or they just need that draw? They're kind of wanting. They have a sensation of wanting to be mated with.
Yeah, I don't think they're hurting. You know, maybe a little bit of heartbreak, but I don't think they're hurting. I got Aaron laughing here. I don't think they're hurting. No, we don't think they are. The vocalization that they do is essentially they're calling to find and attract a male cat. So no, they're not in pain. You know, I used to do emergency calls, and we used to have people call the hospital concerned that their cat is in pain, and because they are screaming in a certain noise, and we can actually hear them over the phone, and we can say, no, in fact, your cat is in heat, so this is not an emergency. But no, it's not painful at all, unless they have things like ovarian cysts or endometriosis, which isn't common. But so speak with your veterinarian, because you're going to want to talk to them about the procedure for spaying a mature cat is a little bit different. So speak with your veterinarian, and at the same time you can say, what can we do to help this stop, because they're not going to want to spay her while she's in heat. They're going to want to end that cycle and then maybe wait a month or so.
Thank you so much for the phone call. You have yourself a wonderful week. You made my day. You made my day. Let's go to